Hey guys, it's Calvin from Raw Coding, and in this video I'll show you how to sort datasets in Python. I have a CSV file containing the names of various employees, their gender, salary, and years of experience. To begin, we'll import the Pandas library. Next, we'll create a variable which will read our dataset from our CSV file. It's important to know how big your dataset is. We can check the number of rows and columns of our dataset using the shape function. We will say content.shape and run our program. As you can see, our dataset has 10 rows and 4 columns. Knowing how big your dataset is will allow you to approach your analytics in a certain way. Next, we'll print our dataset. As you can see, we have name, gender, salary, and experience. We'll begin our sorting by sorting all the values from the column titled name. We will pass in the column we want to sort, and then we will use the sort_values function to sort our column titled name. It sorted the values from the column titled name in alphabetical order, starting at Barbara and ending at Stephen. What is interesting is that you can see the index value of each row, so you can see that Barbara has an index value of 3, Calvin 6, Charlie 4, etc. We can change the order of our data from ascending to descending by passing in a parameter in the sort variable function. We'll say ascending is equal to false. We'll run our program again. At the top we have our data listed in ascending order, and at the bottom we have our data listed in descending order. To see the entire dataset sorted by a specific column, we can say content.sortValues and then pass in the column we want to sort our dataset by. This returns a data frame that has been sorted by the gender column. We can also sort our data by multiple columns by passing in the columns we want to sort in our sortValues function. At the top, our dataset is only sorted by gender, and on the second one, we can see that it's first sorted our rows by gender and then sorted the rows of each gender by salary. So it's like a double sort. This concludes sorting using Pandas. I hope it was helpful, and if you have any questions, please leave them down in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching the video, and I look forward to seeing you in the next one.